Hey there, video enthusiasts and memory makers. Ever feel like your phone just isn't cutting it for those epic moments? Or maybe you're just dipping your toes into the vlogging world. Well, today we're diving headfirst into the amazing universe of camcorders. We've rounded up 5 absolute gems that are ready to capture your life in stunning detail, from pro-level cinematic shots to just good old family fun. Let's get rolling with our top picks. You can find all the product links to check their price on Amazon in the description and the pinned comment. Let's get started. Let's kick things off with the DJI camcorder. This little powerhouse is an absolute game changer for anyone serious about vlogging or just getting super smooth footage. It's got a 1-inch CMOS sensor, which is a fancy way of saying it captures tons of light for crisp, clear video, even in lower light, and recording in 4K at 120 frames per second. That's like butter, I tell you. With 3-axis stabilization, your shaky hands are no match for this beauty. It just works like a charm, keeping everything steady. Plus, with its spotlight follow, you'll always be the star of the show. Perfectly framed. Holy cow. The tech packed into this thing is wild. Basically, the DJI camcorder is your pocket-sized film studio ready for action. Next up, we have the Insta360 camcorder. Now, this one is a real head-turner. We're talking 8K resolution here, folks. That's like seeing the world in ultra-high definition. It comes with dual Leica lenses, which means top-tier image quality, no kidding, and a 12 times zoom to get you right into the action. Even from a distance, the 1-inch sensor pulls in all those beautiful details, and the detachable 2-inch touchscreen, well, that's just super handy for framing your shots. Plus, with its triple AI smarts, this camcorder practically thinks for itself, making your videos look pro without all the fuss. It's pretty slick, if you ask me. Basically, the Insta360 camcorder is a powerhouse of cinematic dreams, built for the pros and aspiring pros alike. Moving on to the Ordro camcorder, this one takes us on a little trip down memory lane, but with a modern twist. It shoots in full high-definition 1080p. Perfect for capturing those everyday moments with a nice clear picture. What's really cool though is its night vision capability. Yeah, you heard that right, infrared night vision, so you can totally channel your inner ghost hunter or just record after dark. It even comes with a 16GB card and 2 batteries, so you're ready to roll right out of the box. No more scrambling for accessories. It's got that classic camcorder vibe, a bit retro, but totally functional. Perfect for capturing those unique moments. Basically, the Ordro camcorder is a reliable, nostalgic nod to classic recording with some handy modern features. And for something really pushing the envelope, there's the MWeirb camcorder. This beast boasts 8K video and an 88 megapixel sensor. Talk about capturing every single detail. You could probably count the individual blades of grass in your lawn. It's just stunning. With its ultra high definition video, your footage will look incredibly sharp and vibrant. It's also got Wi-Fi capabilities, which is super convenient for sharing your masterpieces instantly. No more waiting around. And an 18 times digital video zoom means you won't miss a thing. Whether it's a distant bird or a close-up of your kid's first steps, it's a serious piece of kit for anyone wanting top-tier quality. Basically, the MWeirb camcorder is a high-resolution marvel, designed to capture life in exquisite detail. And to wrap things up, we have the Camcorders camcorder. This is a fantastic option if you're looking for a solid all-around performer that won't break the bank. It records in full high-definition 1080p, so your videos will look crisp and clear. It's got a 24 megapixel sensor, which is more than enough for great photos too, and the 3.0-inch 270-degree rotation LCD screen is super practical. You can flip it around for selfies or just to see yourself while vlogging. Plus, with 16 times digital zoom, you can get a little closer to the action. It's user-friendly and just gets the job done without any fuss. A real workhorse for everyday video. Basically, the Camcorders camcorder is a super accessible and dependable choice for everyday filming. Have it, folks, our top 5 camcorders ready to help you capture those unforgettable moments. Happy filming.